want to withdraw money from Sweatcoin but don't know how to do it, stay in this video because here you will learn how to do it. Well, first thing we have to do, okay, to be able to withdraw everything from Sweatcoin, okay, and receive something, you can follow us to Sweatcoin, okay. If we're on the phone, then we go to the Sweatcoin app, and if we are, then we start, well, we would go to the Sweatcoin page, sweatcoin.com, and we would log in when we realize and when we are already here. Well, we would have to be on the start panel, okay, and then we would have here the steps we have completed today, daily rewards, invite, and well, all the rewards are on here, okay. And well, what we would have to leave, it's the navigation menu we'd have below, and as we see, we have the little house, and we would have to go to the second option, okay. And here we could go shopping, donate and bid, okay. See you around here. And well, let's go to the one we like, and for example, to buy, and here we could have offers like, for example, Puma 20%, and so it's free, okay. Kuko deshiwa yakateko Adidas, you have also a pile of rewards ready to enjoy with your son's jump, okay. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any doubts, comment it in the comments. Goodbye.